Yeah, having the full circle approach to the business as it relates to service and maintenance, it's all about life cycle management, really. And ultimately, I try to put myself in the shoes of the customer. If I have a project, if I'm making an investment, right, to have a development or to build a building or whatever's the case, I, on many instances, am thinking about my full return on that investment. And a lot of times I think that it's very interesting because if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And it's our job from a service and maintenance perspective is to educate the customer and also help them to manage their assets, their investments. And so when we think of the Maxwell, when we think of a dry well or deep infiltration, the reality of it is we're not talking about a $2,000 item here, you know? And so these items, just like your car, they require service and maintenance. And that's what brings it back to the customer, is us saying, okay, from an overall sustainability standpoint, from an overall environmental impact, and from an overall financial impact, how do we partner with you to manage that for the best long-term performance and return? That's how service and maintenance comes full circle to the services that we provide and the products that we provide.